the DJI 3 microphone set. I am one of those people that is really, really picky about how the audio sounds when I'm listening to something. So I wanted something nice, but I didn't want to jump into it and make a mistake. So when I first started, I bought a little $30 microphone set off of Amazon, and it worked fairly well. I'll include a link to it down there. If that's what you need, is something that's around $30, this mic works pretty well. It's very sensitive to how far away it is from your speaking. It's very sensitive to how you turn your head. And it doesn't have quite the quality that you're going to get from something like the DJI. Now, let me go into the features of the DJI, because this is what this video is really about. This is the highest quality audio that I could find, and you can live with a little bit less quality in the video, but from my point of view, audio makes everything listenable. And it also makes it watchable if you kind of, have a little bit bad audio video, but you can't do that with video. So let me show you how this is a kit. I'm going to put a link to it down there. There are pieces of this that you can buy in smaller sets. This is a complete set. It's about $328. It's very expensive, but it is the top of the line. They have older versions. They have DJI 2s, they have DJI Minis, and they have just the individual microphones that work just as well also. So I think you can get just the microphone, and it has Bluetooth, and I am talking to Bluetooth right now to my computer to do this recording. That'll allow me to show you the rest of the kit that comes with this. Now, in this kit, it comes with 2 microphones, and it comes with a sync-up device. The sync-up device allows you to connect it to your camera. It allows you to have the little cable that comes in this bag. You can use it. Here it is. You can use it to plug in to here and then plug directly into your camera so that you don't have to have a secondary audio feed. Now, one of the really cool things about this is that this device has memory, and you can independently record your audio with nothing else. So if you're just doing audio recordings, it'll also work for you. But in the case that your Bluetooth is lost or that some other incident happens, this will continue to record, and you can use that to sync up. And I can't tell you from a creator's perspective, how many times do you go out, you start your recording, you get going, and then you look down and realize 10 minutes, 15 minutes later that the audio that you think you're recording is off of your phone or off of some camera like the one I'm using here without the audio linked in. So it comes with 2 of these devices, like the one I have on my shirt. They work in parallel and can connect together with this. So if you were recording from your phone, you can easily use one of the connectors, and it does come with 2 different connectors to connect this. It comes with a Fire port, and it comes with a regular USB 3, so that you can connect both the old iPhones, the new iPhones, and the Androids all together. So you simply just slide the holder here completely out. Let me see if I can show you this. You slide the holder out, and you slide in whichever adapter you need. Now, when you slide it in, it is going to make contact through these little contacts here so that it can connect directly to your device. So you would basically take this and you plug it in, slide it in here, and now this can plug directly into your phone or to your USB port on your computer or wherever you want it, and you can get a live feed from both microphones in one place. Now, that said, these are Bluetooth. They can connect to your phone, they can connect to your laptop independently also, but connecting 2 Bluetooth devices to one laptop for microphone input sometimes can be complex. So, and there are devices that you can buy, cameras that you can buy, camera sticks and 3D cameras and stuff that will natively allow you to connect 2 of these devices to it. So the short story is that this comes with a wonderful carrying case also. you can, when you drop these back in, they immediately go back into charge mode. And so you don't have to worry about keeping your devices charged, because in addition to having the ability to plug this into anything, this box doesn't only act as a holder, it also acts as a charger. And when you drop them back in here, it syncs back the microphones back to the device also. And so then you can just go and put everything back in your little case here, and everything will get charged back up and allow you to use it at any time on a moment's notice. Now, after all that's done, when you close this, you can also plug this into a standard a USB-C port, and it will charge. Now, this case, the soft case, is a nice protective case. It has a few of the accessories that you're going to need. It has the infamous dead cat, which it just places directly on top of the mic, which prevents noise and sound outside when it's super windy. So when you just basically take that and you click it onto place, and then no matter how windy it is outside, you don't see it. The nice thing about this is it also allows you, if it's cold outside, you wear a sweater over top of it or a jacket over top of it. I haven't had anyone report to me that there's any real loss of audio, so you can leave this on all the time. The only reason I don't, and this is one thing that if I was them I would change a little bit, is when I do put this back in the charger, I can't close the case on it, so I have to take the dead cat or the muffle off of it in order to put it back on the charger and close the case and take it with me. Now, they do provide the soft case, which I can put all these accessories in. So in addition to that, you get a regular standard charging cable to go with it. You do have two of the cats that you'll need. And then, of course, the audio cable that'll allow you to loop into your phone or whatnot. There is a monitoring port on here for those of you a little bit more high tech that would want to monitor the input coming from this device. So you have here the yellow one, which you can plug in a monitor headphone, and then here you have the output that goes to your, actually I have that backwards, or do I have that backwards? Yeah, this is the output that goes to your phone, excuse me, to your camera or your phone or your laptop or wherever you want it to be fed to. And this is an actual monitor port where you can plug in a set of headphones so you can listen to it. This is probably the best microphone investment that I've ever made. It works very easily. If you're out at a convention and you're interviewing someone, you can hand them a mic. You can attach this to the end of a stick or something. And one of the coolest features of it is these little magnets that are on the back. And these little magnets are super strong. But the nice thing is you just reach up underneath your clothing and you place this little magnet and it clicks on there, and then it holds onto this. And these magnets are super strong. I mean, they don't fall off, they don't tumble around. But in addition to the magnet, it also has the ability to use a standard clip. So if you're used to just having a little clip that you can use to put this on your shirt, you can still do that by simply taking the clip and linking it on your shirt. The nice thing about this microphone, one of the nicest things that I found, is regardless if I look this way, or if I look this way, or if I look this way, or if I look down, the microphone volume stays really consistent, allowing you to have good quality audio. It also allows you to dumb out all of that bad sound when you're outside in the wind, on the ocean. I record outside on the ocean, walking down the beach or something, and this will completely alleviate that. The only downside to it is, and the wind is completely gone, the only downside is if you want that background noise, then you have to come up with a way to either to remove this and deal with the wind blowing in it, or come up with some other solution. Anyway, that's my review. There are links down below of the DJI 3 microphone. I will also include links to the DJI 2. I will also include a link to that other microphone that I bought that was really inexpensive. It did effectively work, and the only reason I upgraded is because the connector that connected to my phone, I had my phone on a tripod. I knocked it over and I broke the microphone. And I thought, okay, I'm in this enough now. I want a really good microphone. And I saw this on another live streamer, asked him which mic it was, and this is the one he suggested. So Rob, thank you for the suggestion. It is the best mic I have ever had, and I will probably keep it forever and buy another set when this one wears out, if it ever wears out. So again, links down below. Let me know what you think, and if you have a microphone that you think can compete with it, please put it in the comments. We'd love to hear you.